It sounds very fancy and official to say procurement management processes for project management. But to be honest, you already do this. In fact, if you have a bank account and you buy things, you are very frequently going through these processes, much like a project would, and only some of the tools change. Project management processes are planning, conducting, and controlling procurement. The planning is much like other project management processes, where we are deciding what tools from the procurement management toolbox are going to be useful in this project. Are there large-sized purchases of resources? Do we need an obscure one-time product versus an industry standard product? Are we government, where procurement methods are prescribed in order to make the fair use of tax dollars? A lot of questions, and we have a lot of answers for you. Here are some loose categories that procurements exist in. Direct purchase, quoting, and RFX. The direct purchase is a matter of procuring an item after comparing the different brands and even the different retail situations the brand is available from. The reason this method is used is because the product is so well defined, and while there are different brands and reviews and different organizations you can purchase it from, they tell you up front what they charge for their product. The product is very well defined. Quoting is a method very common in contracting type situations. The service and materials are definable, but require the vendor to explore what it is that you need, and after having done so, to provide you with a quote. Sometimes this can be as simple as online quoting of a very industry standard set of services and/or materials to something like a contractor visiting the site, taking measurements, doing a materials selection with you, and then all of this resulting in a quote. RFX stands for Request for Something. These are industry standard ways of inviting vendors to quote, RFQ, propose, RFP, or give information, RFI. There are variations on these and even others, but the industry understanding of these engages customers, your project, and vendors in a relationship that allows them to market their skills, products, and services with focus on the needs of your particular project work. Procurement is a profession in itself, and executing the more sophisticated RFX type scenarios is a bit daunting, but your organization's finance department can be a helpful resource in both executing and understanding these tools and how they are used in project procurement processes. So the planning procurement process is about selecting the right tools of procurement. Managing procurement process is about executing the actual procurements and obtaining contracts. Controlling procurement is basically ensuring the contracts are fulfilled in scope, on time, and with the budget of the contract. From there, it is just accounting, project cost management, with purchase orders and invoices. It's true that with greater resources in a project comes greater responsibility, but it is not all on your shoulders. Come see it at hksmnow.com and allow us to show you how.